Hi, my name's Ian with Angry Panda Tutorials. Today I'm going to go over how to set up a static IP within Windows 10. The first thing we need to do is go to the Start menu and type in CMD or Command Prompt for short. We're going to click Run as an Administrator, and you'll see a User Account Control window pop up and says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We're going to go ahead and hit Yes. Within this window, we're going to type ipconfig. We're going to realize that, or we're going to see that our IPv4 address is currently 10.10.2.128 and our default gateway is 10.10.2.2. So let's keep in mind that our default gateway is 10.10.2.2, and you're going to want to be sure to keep the default gateway as that IP address. For this purpose, I'm using VMware Fusion, and that way I can go and change this IP address for security reasons after I'm done with this video. So next, we're going to go ahead and open Control Panel. Here I have it in the taskbar just for quick access. As you can see, I'm now in the Control Panel at the Adjust Your Computer Settings window. And instead of this view, I'm going to go to View By, I'm going to go to Large Icons. And I'm going to find Network and Sharing Center here on the left-hand side. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. I'm going to go to Change Adapter Settings. And you're going to want to look for your network name. For me, it's going to be Ethernet 0. So I'm going to right-click, go to Properties, find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 under the Ethernet 0 Properties window. And I'm going to double click to open this window here. Next, we're in the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4 Properties window. We're going to go to use the following IP address. So currently my IP address is 10.10.2.128. And I want to change it to 10.10.2.50. Our default subnet mask is going to be 255.0.0.0. And our default gateway, which we kept in mind earlier, is going to be 10.10.2.2. Next, I'm going to set my preferred DNS server to Google's IP address. And I'm going to point it to there. So I'm going to put 8.8.8.8. I'm going to go ahead and actually leave the alternate DNS server blank. Next, I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit OK again. And I'll re-identify the network. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. As you can see, there's a yellow triangle on the bottom right-hand side of the taskbar, and now there's not. And network 3 is successfully connected. To go back and make sure that this change was successful, I'm going to type in CMD again. I'm going to run as admin. I'm going to go ahead and hit yes again. Now this doesn't need to be ran in admin, but I'm going to go ahead and run it in admin anyway. I'm going to type ipconfig. As you can see, our IP address changed from 10.10.2.128 to 10.10.2.50, and our default gateway is still 10.10.2.2. To make sure that this is also successful, I'm going to go ahead and open a web browser and try to go to a web page. For this instance, I'm going to go back to google.com. And that's how you set up a static IP within Windows 10.